All-optical switching technology allows flexible scheduling of optical signals to go in different directions. Traditional optical switching requires the deployment of a large number of fiber optic connections between multiple devices, making network operation and maintenance difficult. An optical beam needs to pass through 5 single boards, including fiber interface, optical monitoring, optical amplifier, and optical switching to complete the direction switching. OXC line board. A single board integrates the ability of 5 traditional single boards, replacing the traditional equipment. OXC backprint 1000 plus optical fibers in an A4 size all-optical backplane, constructing a 32-direction optical transmission path, avoiding the traditional equipment to each other and providing a flexible optical signal transmission. The optical signal enters the OXC line board, and through the optical connector, the optical signal is transmitted to the optical backplane and to other line boards to complete the switching of the optical direction. Innovative OXC equipment switches optical signals to different optical directions, realizing non-blocking all-optical switching in any direction, replacing the traditional 9-cabinet optical equipment and reduce power consumption by 60%.